This channel is making over $62,000 a month from faceless YouTube shorts. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how you can make money from YouTube without actually showing your face and without recording any of the videos yourself. So, if that sounds interesting to you, subscribe and like to see more content. Okay, let us begin with the step-by-step tutorial of how to make this work. The channel we're going to be using as inspiration is the Ben Lionel Scott channel. His channel is pretty big and only uploads motivational videos in short and long form. So how can you do this yourself? Well, it is very simple. The first thing you need to do is find a motivational quote or speech of some kind. How to do this? Well, it's easy. Just go to YouTube and search motivational video and have it show the most viewed videos first. You can change out some of the settings if you want to. But now you have access to all the motivational videos that have been successful on YouTube. Something else you can do is go to archive.org and search motivational speech. Archive.org is a public site where you can search a topic, for example, motivational speech, and on Archive it will give you a list of all the top motivational speeches, including I Have a Dream by Martin Luther King Jr. And everything you find on archive.com, you can just download the audio with a click of a button. But with both of those resources at your disposal, just browse until you find a speech that you want to make a video on. But from there, you have two options. If it's on Archive, you can just download the audio file for free, and the audio is done. But if the motivational speech you want is on YouTube, it's not quite that easy. Still simple though. To get the audio from the YouTube video, you need to play that video while you have recording software running in the background. OBS is the easiest software to use, and it's free, so that's a plus. Just make sure desktop audio is on and that no other sounds are coming from your computer or mic. Then hit record and play the YouTube video. Now you go take a shower or whatever while the video is playing, and once it finishes, you now have the audio that you need for this video. Now that you have your audio, whether from Archive or YouTube, it's time to edit that audio into the length that you want. As for what editing software to use, the best is obviously Adobe Premiere Pro or some of those top tier clients, but those are very expensive. So if you want some free software you can use iMovie for Apple, Shotcut, or HitFilm Express. Then, once you've chosen your editing software, it's time to finish the audio. If you're making a YouTube short or TikTok, pick the best 30 seconds to a minute of the audio and use that. Now you need to get the background footage for the video. There's really two different ways to do this. One of which is using stock footage that matches what the audio is saying in the background. And if you are looking for stock footage, I would recommend using Dareful, Motion Elements, VidEasy, Pixlr, and Pixabay. Those are just some examples of free stock footage sites. Then just drag and drop the downloaded stock footage into the editing software and edit it up so it fits the speech. But if you want to spice it up from stock footage, there is another option. You can just use clips of the actual interview where this footage is coming from. For example, on this David Goggins motivational video, I can just throw in some clips of him talking during the interview, and that saves me a lot of time. But once you have all the video edited with background audio and footage, the only things left are to add subtitles, dramatic music, and potentially add some filters to make it black and white or grayscale. Luckily, you can do all of this with Clipchamp, another free editing tool. On a Clipchamp, you can import your video and go to subtitles and hit auto captions. This will automatically generate subtitles over the entire video. Just edit the font and placement to your liking, and then the subtitle part is done. Next part is music. If the audio clip doesn't already have dramatic music in the background, just do a YouTube search for copyright-free dramatic background music, and find a music video that you like. Then, we're going to do the same thing to get the audio, and use OBS to get the music and download it and put it over the video. From there, go to the effects screen of pretty much any video editing software, and find one that looks like a black or white or grayscale effect. Add that to your video, and voila, you have a functioning motivational YouTube video that you can upload to start generating thousands of dollars. And you didn't have to record anything, gather any of your own footage, or show your face. So, pretty nice. Either way, thank you so much for 19 subscribers, and I'll see you next one. Peace out.